Hello everyone, welcome to Sword classes. This is the question number 38 from GATE 2026, a question from complex integration. So given integral is this and the given domain or given contour is mod of z 7 by n. This is the contour region and it's oriented in the anticlockwise direction. So the given integral is fz, suppose fz is 1 minus z into 3 cos z plus 5 sin z by 1 minus z to the power 101. So the 0 in the denominator part, that means 1 minus z to the power 101 1 equals to 0. अगर इसको हम लोग 0 सेट करेंगे, so 101 equals to 1. So z equals to e to the power 2 pi I k by 101, where k equals to 0, 1, 2, dot 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 up to 100. So these are the zeros of this denominator part, but we see that all the zero are of unit modulus, and the given contour is mod of z equals to 7 by 9. This is the circle whose radius is less than 1. That means the contour is, we draw it in the lower portion. So the contour is this anti-clockwise direction. This is mod of z equals to 7 by 9. And all the 0 are lies on this unit modulus. Okay. So all the 0 are lies outside of the contour. So we see that the given function, this fz, is analytic, or we say analytic on the given contour this. That means fz is analytic in whole mod of z equals to 7 by 9, because the denominator part of fz has 0 in the form e to the power 2 pi I k by 101, and all these zeros are of unit modulus which lies outside of the circle. ये सब 0 यूनिट मॉड्यूलस है जो सर्कल के बाहर पे लाई कर रहा है, तो सर्कल के अंदर इस फंक्शन का कोई 0 नहीं है. सो fz इज टोटली एनालिटिक इन दिस रीजन. देन कॉचीज थ्योरम क्या कहता है? कॉचीज थ्योरम कहता है इफ fz be analytic function, if fz be analytic function, then for any closed contour C, integration fz dz is strictly equals to 0. So this is option C is correct, because here we see that this function is totally analytic, and this portion contour is closed contour which is modulus less than 1. So इस contour में ये function पूरा analytic है. So by Cauchy's theorem, the integration of this analytic function on the closed contour is 0. So that's why C is the correct answer. So C is true. Thank you.